many figures.
So we did our trip today to Smith's Toys, didn't we?
Yeah.
And we saw they had a whole display of these Zuru 5 Surprise. So let's see what these look like when we open them then. Jackson, do you want to go first and I'll help you?
Yep.
Whoa, let's have a look then.
So these are by Zuru then?
These are by Zuru, so the same people that make Smashers.
Yeah.
But these don't smash.
No?
No.
Oh no. Well, they look like they do.
They do, don't they? How do you get into... Oh, here we go. Look, there's a little teary bit there.
Yeah, Terry did.
They do look a bit like Smash Balls, don't they?
Yeah.
But when you get into them, it's another layer. So here we go, look. Right. So look, when you open it, you take the layer off. Look, what does this remind you of? And then look. Yeah, it's like an orange.
Yeah.
Look at that, Jax.
Wait, whoa, look. It looks like, if you put it down, like it looks like a flower.
And
Look.
there's over 150 toys to collect.
Is there?
Is there?
Which one should we open first? Which one do you want to open?
Yeah.
That one. Okay, so
Yeah.
let's see what's inside there.
Yeah.
Whoa, what is it?
Yeah.
Oh, look. These are dinosaurs.
Yeah.
What are they? Are they stickers?
Stickers.
3D stickers. Wow,
Whoa.
look. So you've got one dinosaur, one like manky pizza. That looks a bit like a grocery gang, doesn't
It
it?
does, yeah.
and a triceratops.
Whoa.
Cool. So which one should we do next?
No, that one.
Okay.
That one.
Yeah.
Okay. So they've got little pulley bits here, look, so you can take this off. Oh! What is that? Is it a poo? Should we see what's inside this one?
Yeah.
Okay, what's in there?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Oh, that looks like maggots.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Oh, they're even squishy.
Cool, they're pretty gross, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
That's squishy too. Oh, look at those. They actually look like real maggots. Oh, look, maggots.
They all rubbery as well.
Yeah.
That's disgusting.
They look like
Rubbery,
real ones,
they
don't
look real, don't they?
You could prank,
like real.
you could prank someone with those, couldn't you?
Put them in their salad,
Oh yeah.
in their food,
Right,
on their
Jackson.
spaghetti bolognese.
Oh yeah. Jackson, there's 2 more to open. Which one should we go with now? That one.
Yeah.
Okay, what's inside?
Tackle.
Oh, a pterodactyl.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. And here's your checklist, so you can see all the different things.
Yep.
And should we open?
Yeah, that's a poo.
Yeah. And should we open the last one?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we'll show all the boys and girls the checklist. Cool.
Yeah, skateboard. I think it's a skateboard
Oh,
for the
cool.
Awesome. What? Maybe your
Oh, you're
pterodactyl.
going to put them on there?
Oh, cool. A poop on a skateboard.
That's something mine.
That's really silly. Look, now your pterodactyl's on the skateboard.
Cool.
He's right off.
He flew off with the skateboard.
Yeah.
Wow.
That is super cool.
That's something mine.
Should we do yours?
Yeah.
Right. Right. Let's see if you can get these open then, Henry, shall we?
Yeah, I'm gonna open this.
You see they've got a little taggy bit here so you can pull, look. So if you pull it using that bit. Can you do it or is it a bit tricky?
Yeah.
Did it?
Pterodactyl.
Yeah, you got one too.
Check this.
Cool.
Awesome.
You gotta get the poop.
Yeah, you can.
You really want a doodie, don't you?
Yeah. Brown one.
You want the brown one?
I want
Well, you might get it.
No, it's open the next one.
Yep.
How do you open
It's on the side there.
Here, look, baby. If you pull that taggle down.
Oh,
Won't be a poo.
cool. These are super exciting, aren't they? You just don't know what you're going to get, do you? Yeah, you got a brown doodle.
I got Yay!
Those are so funny. They're really squishy.
So
You
you've
got the brown doodle.
That's what you wanted, wasn't it?
I'm gonna get another poo.
Now I'll probably get the green poop.
Oh
What's in there?
T-Rex and a Dilophosaurus and a guy.
Pizza.
A pizza guide.
Pizza.
Cool.
Awesome. Let's open up some of the others.
I can't believe I got poo.
I know you really wanted that one, didn't you?
Yeah.
You always get the thing that you wish for, don't you?
Yeah.
What else are we going to get then?
Yeah, I wanted him.
Did you get anything else in there?
Let's keep searching then.
Yeah.
There's so many to open, isn't there?
Open penny. Where's the bag?
It's on the side, darling.
You can, I think, just pop your finger through. Which might be a bit easier. What did you get inside?
It's the same thing as
Oh, maggots.
Maggots.
Nuggets.
Henry, fill these, look.
Yeah. Those are so yucky.
They are, look. You
Fill
fill
them.
them.
Yeah. Nuggets.
Nuggets.
Yeah.
Maggots. These are good, aren't they?
Yeah.
These are awesome. Wow, a skateboard.
Ah, you got a skateboard too. So you got pretty much the same as Jackson then, just with a different coloured doodle.
Cool.
Yeah.
And
Cool.
different stickers. And your skateboard's a bit different, isn't it? Let's see your skateboard and let's see Jackson's skateboard and compare them.
Oh, cool.
Oh, so Henry, yours has got a spider on it and Jackson's got like teeth, like maybe a robot or something
Yeah.
with strange teeth.
Cool.
These are really good, look. 'Cause they actually wheel and you could do like tricks. Woo! Right, Oscar,
I really hope I get a ninja.
do you?
I'm good with opening things.
Maybe Freddy gets a poo.
You're excited, aren't you?
Henry's
Yeah.
obsessed.
Yeah, getting the poo.
What do you reckon to these so far then, Oscar?
They're awesome.
Freddy's gonna get a poo.
Oh, look, Oscar did his neatly. Look.
Freddy, are you gonna do a poop? Are you gonna get poop? Are you gonna get a poop?
So first I'm going to do this one because half of it.
Skateboard?
I got a skateboard too. Mine's got a skull on it.
Cool.
Oh.
And Buddy, you open your next one. I hope you get poo. Skateboard. Buddy, are you gonna get poo?
I really hope I get a ninja.
Henry's obsessed with poop.
I got maggots.
Yeah, because I got poo, didn't I? I got poo.
So you got maggots again. So it's the same sort of thing again, isn't it?
I got poo, didn't I? I got poo. I got poo.
Let us know in the comments below, guys, if you've had any of these 5 surprises.
So now I got some magnetic stickers too.
They're
Yep.
magnetic, are they?
I don't know. Maybe
No, they're just 3D.
Buddy's gonna get poo.
Okay, next I've got a
You got a poop. Thank God.
Nice try though.
one
Buddy?
more. I really hope I get a ninja. Ninja. Ninja.
No.
No, it's
Oh,
a
I got
pterodactyl.
pterodactyl,
I
yeah.
fancy that, getting 3 all the same. No.
Maybe the ninja's coming out soon or something.
I wanna
Maybe
see
these
my
are the only
poo.
ones.
Maybe.
I want to see my poo. I don't want. So I.
It's a shame that you got a pterodactyl, really, isn't it? Otherwise you
Yeah.
would have had like a whole family of them.
Yeah.
They're a little bit rubbery, look.
Almost like Kairos.
Oh, it could be an ornithopteris, yeah.
It could be.
But I think it's a pterodactyl.
It is,
'Cause
yeah.
it doesn't have the bump on it, does it?
No. So thanks for watching our video, guys. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.
Bye.